Glow big and test strong. Broad River Elementary School lit up with excitement during a special pep rally, energizing the students to shine their brightest on a big exam.
We just had a glow party in preparation for our students getting ready for SC Ready. We have been preparing all year, but we thought it was necessary to remind them it's nothing that they haven't already done. Now it's time to glow big and test strong. And so that's what our kids did today, and being reminded just to have fun, be encouraged, and they got what it takes to do great on the test.
Younger students lined up in the gym cheering loudly as the testing 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders made their way into the pep rally. These upper grade students have been working hard in their classrooms and at home, getting ready for the exam.
We've been on our computer on SC Ready testing prep to help us get ready for the state test. She's been helping us with retelling stories and making stories.
I kind of love math, but I'm good at reading, so I'm practicing at home math.
I've been paying attention in classroom and following my teachers.
I will test strong.
Students have been engaging in a variety of activities as they get test ready.
We have taught them all year, and skill and drill can become overwhelming at the end of the year. So we've been doing games in the classroom along with the learning, as well as a lot of small group instruction just to meet them where they are, and concluding with the fact that you already got this. We've been teaching you all year. Now you just need to dig deep and believe in yourself that you can do it.
The pep rally was filled with fun as the educators encouraged the kids to give it their all.
You can do it. Can I get a whoop whoop?
It told me to be confident and don't give up, even though it might be hard.
SC Ready testing will take place over the coming weeks at Broad River Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.